Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Crochet Tour YouTube channel. First of all, sorry for the frizzy hair. It's extremely hot today and I just cannot seem to do anything to get rid of the frizz, so please ignore that. But otherwise, today we're going to be doing another episode of Tour Tries, and this is going to be a very quick episode. It's just on a free pattern that I found on Instagram that I really liked, and I thought, yeah, I'll give this a go. And yeah, I really like how it turned out. So here's what I made. I think it's really cute. There's even a little tail at the back there. Now the pattern didn't actually have a name, so I don't really know what this character is meant to be. So I'm calling it Toast Bear, but I don't think it's necessarily meant to be bread. But I couldn't work out yeah, what it's meant to be, but it's really cute anyway. So yeah, we'll be calling it Toast Bear. And so yeah, this pattern was really simple, quick and easy, only used single crochet and would be perfect for a beginner. So if you're interested in finding a bit more about the pattern and the pattern designer, then keep watching. So the pattern designer's Instagram is named Amigurumi Mission, and I noticed that she also seems to have a YouTube channel as well, so I'll link that down below. But yeah, I think, I mean, I couldn't really tell because almost all of her posts are in Portuguese, but I believe that she is Brazilian, based on some of the translations that I saw of some of the posts. And it seems like she does do a mixture of patterns in English and Portuguese, but I think most of her patterns are in Portuguese, so yeah, you may just want to double check that. But to be honest, it's probably not that difficult to kind of read a pattern in another language. Actually, that's a really good idea for a video. I might try that one time, try a pattern that's not in English without translating it and see if I can just follow it based on kind of knowing what a pattern generally looks like. I might try that. But anyway, yeah, so that's the languages that her patterns appear to be available in, and it seems like she has free and paid patterns, so it seems like this is kind of a character that she's come up with, but she has like loads of variations of it, and some of them are free, so you might want to check those out if you like this guy. You can make a few different types of him. And yeah, so on Instagram she seems to have about 4,000 followers, so not a massively popular designer, but still got quite a lot of followers on Instagram. And yeah, so in terms of what I've made, I've already showed you, but just in terms of specific materials that I used here. So I decided to use my standard Aran weight yarn because I just have loads of it. I don't really have too much DK or any other weight of yarn, so that's my standard choice that I go towards. And I did decide to use a 3mm crochet hook this time because I thought 2 would probably be a bit too small for that weight of yarn. My usual would be a 4mm hook, but I wanted to make this guy quite small and cute, so I thought I'd go down one size lower than I would normally use, and I'm quite happy with that. You can definitely not see any holes in this, so if that's something that you like to avoid, then this is probably a good choice for you as well. And then yeah, I just used some 6mm eyes, I believe these are. A bit of embroidery thread for the eyebrows and the nose, and then the 2 colours of yarn that I used were Paint Box 253 and 209. I don't know the actual colour names of that, but you can search by number on the Lovecrafts website, which is where you can buy Paint Box yarn. And then in terms of the time it took for me to make this, it literally only took about 3 hours, I would say. I didn't actually time it, but I started this yesterday and I finished it today, and I've just been doing it kind of in the evening. So yeah, it was pretty quick to make this. If you're a beginner, maybe add another hour onto that, but you know, it shouldn't take you longer than a few hours. So yeah, so just to wrap this video up, I really like the pattern. I quite like those little Instagram patterns that you get where it's just swiping through a few pictures. They're generally quite simple and easy to follow. Didn't find any mistakes or any problem areas in the pattern. I was able to follow it quite easily, so hopefully you should be able to too. And yeah, it's just really quick and easy, and just a really cute little design. And also, as I mentioned, there's variations of this pattern available. Also on Amigurumi Mission's YouTube channel, it seems like she has a YouTube video for one of the other variations of this pattern, so if you were struggling you could look at that, and again I'll link that in the description. And you could also make your own variations of this character too. Once you understand the basic sort of arms and legs and the body, you could, you know, add different type of ears onto this, or I don't know, you could make like a little elephant toast. Like I said, I don't know if it's really toast, but that's kind of how I see it. But yeah, that's this video. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and this is maybe something that you're interested in making. If you do make one, let me know. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.